Welcome to lesson 3 on organic, sorry, I'm getting you guys mixed up. Foundation chemistry, not organic. Organic's much harder, and I encourage you to watch this series before you do that. But anyway, today we're going to be learning about chemical compounds. So these are some compounds I have here. So I'm assuming you're all familiar with the periodic table, states of matter, that sort of stuff. So the periodic table has, well, there's elements here. So what we say is, compounds are basically, we call them compounds or molecules. It's another word for them. The things that big compounds or molecules are made up of two or more, two plus atoms. We say that 2 plus atoms makes up a compound. So if it's just one atom, it's an element. Just oxygen, iodine, nitrogen, hydrogen, helium, whatever you want. They're just elements. But if we add 2 or more, and we chemically bond them together, we get these compounds. So I'm going to start with this one. We've got this one and this one. But let's start with H2O, which I'm assuming most people would know as water. Water is the compound, or chemical formula as we call it, of H2O. So H2O, and this one is known as, I'm guessing you probably know, as water. Water is H2O. So it has 2 hydrogen atoms and then an oxygen atom, and they're chemically bonded together to form this water, which is 2 or more atoms. So we've got H2O, which is water. But you were to say, okay, Dylan, what if I were to go different elements and bond them together? What would I get? Okay, there's a lot of noise back there. I'm assuming, sorry if you can hear that. I don't know if you guys can. Worst case scenario, write in the comments and I'll refilm it. CO2. Some of you should know this is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is 1 carbon and 2 oxygens. And why we call it dioxide? So oxide is like oxygen. Okay. And di means 2. So 2 oxygen. There you go, carbon dioxide. That's 1 carbon, and then 2 oxygens. But now we're going to look at a more complicated one. This one's called sodium chloride. So Na is the element sodium, and Cl is the compound chlorine. Element, sorry, not compound. Sodium, this is actually, funnily enough, you have this every day on your food. This is just salt. This is the normal salt you guys usually eat. We call it table salt. Table salt. This is the salt you usually eat on your food every day, sodium chloride. It has a compound. Water is H2O. Salt is this. That is salt. NaCl. So sodium is an element 11. Chlorine is element 17. And basically, what happens is if you add these two together, you get a compound when you bond them together. So sodium chloride is NaCl, and that is a compound. So compounds, I see this is just like a little revision thing for you guys. I got a little definition. NaCl, table salt, a compound is 2 plus atoms bonded together. All you need to know, there's millions and millions of these compounds, and new ones are being made every single day. Don't worry about like new ones, just worry about the basic ones like sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide. Try and go on Google and Google some names, like some basic names, see if you remember them. Thank you for watching.